Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Summer Stitch eating a watermelon. So first let's get started by drawing in her mouth. So on the left hand side we're going to curve this line around, up, and then in towards the center. And then we're going to do the same over on the right, blending that in together in the middle. Let's draw in some teeth now. So on the left and right hand side we're going to curve this line around and across. Stepping further across again, we're going to replicate that, just making that bigger. Again, moving over, let's replicate that again. And then again, drawing this in slightly smaller one last time. Now let's draw on the top of the watermelon. So we're gonna curve this line over and across on both sides, just trying to draw that at the same size. And then now we're gonna move in and draw the rest of the face before we come down. So drawing in the nose, we're going to draw in an arch line from left to right. We're going to close that off on the bottom with another curved line. For the nostrils on either side, arching that over. Now let's close off our eyes. On the right hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then down. We'll do the same over on the left. Now from here, we're going to continue to close this off. So we're going to curve this line around, connecting that to the nose, and then bringing that over on the side of the face. And we're going to do this on both sides. Now for the pupil in the center of both, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big oval. And then now on the inside corner, we're going to draw in another circle for the highlight. Coming up above the nose, we're going to draw in a curved line, and then once again, just making that slightly smaller. Now let's move up above our eyes, and we're going to arch this line around and then in. Now for the hair, we're going to, in the center, arch this line across, moving up again, bringing that down. And now from here, curving this over and then back through towards the middle. Let's close off the rest of the head now by just arching this line across towards both eyes. Now let's draw in our ears. So as we come over on the side, we're going to curve this line up. Now stepping further in towards the middle, we're going to curve this line over, connecting that together, arching that up on a diagonal. We'll do the same on both sides. And we'll just try and draw that at the same height. Now on the top, we're just going to continue to curve this down slightly, and then we'll draw in a sideways letter V. On the right hand side, we're going to extend this further down, bringing that in, and then again, just drawing in a sideways letter V. Now from here, from the corner, we're going to curve this line through on the bottom. And then as we move up, we're going to stretch this line across. Let's draw in the hands first on a diagonal coming down. For the finger, we're going to curve this line down. We're going to leave a gap moving over on the left-hand side and replicating that. Now again, moving in towards the middle, curving this round and then down. And then again, moving around, curving this in and then up. Now we're going to draw in 3 triangles on the top as we come over. Let's close off the watermelon now. So from corner to corner, we're going to bring this line in. And then we're going to extend this through on the bottom by creating an arch line. We're going to move across, replicating that. So we're going to arch this line through, just like we did on the bottom, bringing this all the way up on the side. And then we're just going to do that one last time, making this one a little thinner as we come all the way through and up on the side again. Now let's draw in some of the juice that's coming out as he's biting into it. So on both sides, we're going to draw in a teardrop shape, curving this around and then in. And then moving down on a diagonal again, we're going to replicate that on the right. And we'll do the same on the left. We're going to draw in some similar shapes for the watermelon seeds inside the space now. So over on the left, we're going to draw in another teardrop shape. We'll do the same on the right. Now on the left again. And on the right. And we're just going to kind of scatter these all over in the free space. Now let's draw in some of the juice dripping down. So we're going to, on the left, curve this line out, through, and over. Let's extend this drip further down now. We're going to replicate this as we come over on the right. And we're just going to alternate the length of our drips as we come over on the side. Let's make this last one a little shorter. And that is it. That's how you draw Summer Stitch eating a watermelon. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.